we are going to learn how to do variable coding in Spss. And what you do first is to go to your data view window, which is here, and then you look out for the variable you want to code. And today we want to code a variable gender right here. Afterwards, you look at the components of the variable you want to code. We can see that our gender consists of female and male, and we can note that female start with capital F and male start with capital M as well. So after noting that about our variable, we go to variable view. Variable view is where coding takes place. And to know that your variable is not coded, when you come in the column of values, you can see that they are telling us none. Here, column of values and then row of gender. The values, they are telling us we don't have any values. In coding, we are basically attaching values to the components of a categorical variable. So you click in this under row gender, you click in this box. After clicking in it, we are going to get 3 dots. Then you click on them. Then you come here to values. You remember the spelling of the components of our variable gender. So value we put 1. We want to give females value 1. So we shall write 1. We add, and then you want to give male variable. We want to give male value 2. So we write value 2, and in the label we put male. We add. Afterwards, we say OK. Then right there we have given codes to our variable gender. The importance of coding categorical variables is that it is helpful when you're going to do further analysis like regression analysis, because further analysis cannot take on non-coded variables. Thank you so much for listening. Like, share, subscribe.